All right, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to check the total length of, a ton of different videos. So, for this specific example, we need to know the length of a course so that we can apply for continued education units or CEUs for trainers. So, I have all the videos here. Now, there are many different ways to do it. The unfortunate truth is some people are going to count up and add all of the time components. I just tried adding it to ChatGPT, but it can't count yet. So I'm going to go ahead and select all the videos that are in the course, and I'm just going to drag them into software called Premiere Pro, which is kind of the industry standard for video editing. And while that happens, y'all should subscribe and like this video because it is my birthday. So, you know, just in case you wanted to give me a birthday present, it's all good. All right, so once they're jumped into the timeline, all we literally need to do is go to the end, somewhere near the end with our cursor by clicking in the timeline, press O, and then drag the um, endpoint selection of all these videos to the very end. And we'll see our timestamp there, 2 hours, 29 minutes, and 16 seconds. So then I'm going to go ahead and forward that information over to the team, and we're going to be able to apply correctly for CEUs. I don't know why that messed me up today. Continued Education Unit, CEUs, and get a perfect, accurate representation of the total length of all videos in the course.